Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to delete duplicates in Google Sheet. First, go to Google Sheets and open the document from which you want to remove duplicates. Now here in Google Sheets, we have a small table of data, and we have found some repeated information in it. So now I will show you a quick formula called unique. You just need to select your data and it will give you only the unique rows, removing any duplicates without needing extra instructions. Now on the top, you have options like Edit, Format, Data, Tools, and more. So click on the extensions. Then from the menu, click on Add-ons and then on Get Add-ons. Now I am going to search for Remove Duplicates, so just click on this one. And then click on Install. After that, choose your account to continue with Remove Duplicates. Then click Continue. Now scroll down and click on Allow. After that, click on Done in this window. Once done, now again click on Extensions. Then from the menu, click on Remove Duplicates. After that, click on the Find Duplicate or Unique Rows option here. Here you need to choose the range with your table. You can also click Auto Select. Now once you have selected your desired range, then click on the Next button at the bottom. Here you need to select the Duplicate First Occurrences option. The formula finds the first time each unique value appears and any repeats, enabling us to group pairs, threes, or fours of duplicates. So click on Next. Here you have your columns, and again click on the Next button. Next, we'll pick the color yellow to highlight them and click Finish. So that is how you can delete duplicates on Google Sheets. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.